Viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about how to install Node.js service and Make machine. So it is the front end source of the platform of the Node.js. It's very popular language to use uh, for the web application. We are using to this application in front of front end, just like you can see say the uh, machine learning programs. Just my previous videos front end working on the Python plus Node.js, potato detection, tomato classification, and so on. So let's start. First of all, you can go to the node.js file.and. This link is in my description. You can not download 18.12 version. You go to here 17.91. This Mac version will be supported 10.13.6 High Syria 2007 13 machine. So you can just download this packet. Okay, I have already downloaded in my machine, so I am open it. I am going to the download files. You can see, just open. Okay, continue. I continue again, agree, and destination, installation type, and put your make password. So configuration will be installed, and I will show you how to use node.js file. So it's about 1 minute ago. Installation remaining time. Yeah, it's okay, working fine. npm node.js 70.9 version, and you can see that 8.11. At the close, move to trust means delete, and open the terminal. I will show you uh, sorry, clear npm. Yeah, you can see the installation is complete. It's working fine. npm start. So you can see installation complete, done. Make version. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.